to turn your van into a spaceship in 3 minutes. Reflectix in all of its glory. I'm so stoked. That worked out perfectly. Oh, my arms are dead. Obviously the project's not going to take 3 minutes, but I'm going to teach you how to do it in just 3. It is Reflectix Day. We are installing and making Reflectix curtains or window coverings, not curtains, definitely window coverings, for all of the windows. First things first, use newspaper to trace or outline the windows first, and then transfer that or use that as your stencil to then do the Reflectix cutting. Most of our windows are pretty big, and so I have to tape 1.5 newspapers together, or pieces of newspaper together, to cover the whole thing, like from this side all the way to this side of the window. Obviously that step's not necessary for those of you who don't have big windows. I used a crayon to trace the outside of the window because I didn't think it would puncture as easily as like a colored pencil or a pencil in general. Now, obviously, I'm not actually turning our van to a spaceship, although that'd be pretty cool. I'm putting up the Reflectix to keep the heat out. It's a radiant heat barrier for all the heat that can come in through the window. After cutting out the basic shape of your newsprint stencil, you need to make sure it fits in the window perfectly. Now we'll use our newspaper stencil to draw it out on the Reflectix. The trick is to get really good scissors. These ones are dollar scissors and they suck. And then you lastly make sure that the actual Reflectix works. Fits perfect. Now, I guess this is the last step. The window opener needs to be just a couple slits cut out so that you can access opening and closing the window, and that it's a tight fit all the way around. There you go. Then you have to do that for all your windows. Easy peasy. Change, and it's a week later than when I filmed the other part of this video, but we took the van out and this was way too big. We had measured it based on the outside of the window, so now we're perfecting the inside, and then the total van will be a complete spaceship.
Georgie, what are you doing down there? You got a little something in your little